DJI OM4 tutorial videos. In this video, we will introduce how to set up DJI OM4 for the first time and demonstrate how to use it. Open the package of the product and take out DJI OM4 and its accessories. Before using, please download the DJI Mimo app. After installing the app, you can choose the magnetic phone clamp or magnetic ring holder to mount your phone to the gimbal magnetically. Installing the grip tripod. Align the screw of the grip tripod with the 1/4 inch at the bottom of the gimbal. Then tighten the screw until both points are aligned. Then unfold the tripod, attaching the phone to the magnetic phone clamp. Place the magnetic phone clamp in the center of the phone. Make sure the DJI logo and camera are facing the same direction. Unfold the gimbal. Align the phone clamp with the magnetic point on the gimbal and attach it to OM4. For small phones such as the iPhone SE, with a thickness of less than 7.5 millimeters and a weight of less than 160 grams, an additional silicone pad must be added before use. Attaching the phone with magnetic ring holder. Please remove the phone case before installation. 1. Clean the back of the phone with the wipes provided, and then dry it. Attach the sticker to the center of the back of your phone. Press the liner disc to squeeze out air bubbles. 2. Place the alignment guide on the back of the phone. Adjust the position of the alignment guide to locate the center of the phone. 3. Attach the magnetic ring holder to the back of the phone. Make sure it is firmly attached. 4. Remove the alignment guide. After attaching the ring holder, you need to wait for 12 hours before mounting it onto OM4. Similar to the phone clamp, all you need to do is align the ring holder and attach it to the DJI OM4. Press and hold the M button to power on the gimbal. Enable Bluetooth on your phone. Launch the DJI Mimo app. Log in or register with your DJI account. And tap to activate. Go one step further and purchase or activate the DJI Care Refresh plan for affordable replacements with Express and more exclusive benefits. After activation is complete, tap the camera icon in the top left corner of the screen to enter camera view. Press the M button once to switch between photo and video. Press the M button twice to switch between landscape and portrait mode. Push the zoom slider up or down to control camera zoom. Push the joystick up or down to control the pitch of the gimbal. Push the joystick left or right to control the pan of the gimbal. Press the trigger twice to recenter the gimbal. Press the trigger 3 times to switch between the front and back cameras. Press the shutter button once to start recording. Press and hold the M button until you hear a beep. The gimbal will enter standby mode. Press the trigger once to exit. Press and hold the M button until you hear 2 beeps. The gimbal will power off. When you are finishing using OM4, remove the phone and store the gimbal as demonstrated. Thank you for watching.